Wendy, tell us how different this stance towards intellectual property theft by China is from Obama-era policies.
Well, there's been long-standing concerns with intellectual property protection and China. China has made some progress in addressing these issues. However, problems continue in this important sector, and the Trump administration yesterday expressed its grave concern and its plan going forward to address these issues.
Yeah, I mean, China is trying to move its manufacturing up the value chain, and part of that is forcing the US to hand over intellectual property if a company does business there. But isn't that what always happens? I mean, Samsung stole engineers from Sony. That's just the way the world works, no?
No, this goes way beyond what has happened among other countries and companies. Basically, U.S. companies in China are really between a rock and a hard place. They're told if you want to do business here, please turn over your intellectual property. And if you don't do so, then we're not interested in partnering with you. So our companies have tough decisions to take. And I think it's time our government, try and address these practices.
I guess, Wendy, though, the question is exactly how you address the practices. Is it the right thing to do it unilaterally rather than through the WTO?
Well, my view is that trying to use the Section 301 statute, which hasn't been used since the WTO was created, is the proper way to seek resolution of this issue. I think once the 301 investigation is initiated, China will find it hard to come to the table, and a lot of trading partners, including the EU and Japan, will be reluctant to partner with us. And we need their support as well, because their companies are also subject to this unfair trade practice.